this ain't no last name.
I'll tell you what, they're fucking terrible. They hold nothing.
At home.
Dude, it felt like you hit me. That was sick.
That was so sick.
That was sick. Woo!
I don't know who that is, but I'm gonna wave anyway. Hell yeah. I don't know what you're doing. Oh, but anyhow.
What are you doing? Did you run into the straight into my day?
Oh my god. Oh.
Creep. Go like this. I thought that meant creep forward. What? Move forward? Okay. Hell yeah. I'll go behind. Oh, you want me to lead or you lead? Yeah, all I had was like
That's a blast from the past.
yeah, good old Pexy, mate.
Yeah, Paris C.
Stay true to the
Yeah, just
old
straight
school.
true to the grassroots.
If she worked back then, why wouldn't she work again?
I've got like PTSD trauma from mine with the fucking airflow meter, like not working ever.
Good.
You'll be right. Did you hear your wipers? Wipers are going ham. I'm getting thrown into the door. Well, we are at, what is it? Huck it for the homeless. What a great event. Thank you so much for taking me for some pasta laps, throwing me around.
Oh, that's alright. Anytime, mate.
Hell yeah. Oh, that was sick, thank you.
Well, there's no worries.
What? Hello.
No, thank you.
Thank you very much. Hey.
Thank you. Oh, stop it. Oh, thank you. Wait, they were some sick runs. Hey, I don't need a high disc because my hand's vibers. So we're just matching. Oh shit. What happened, Mr. Drifter?
I broke.
Oh, what do I always say? Drift, brake, fix, repeat. No, run me over.
Yeah, right, yeah.
I looked everywhere for the cup holder,
You're the
but
fucking
they don't
best.
sell them anymore. I went to like
Oh,
5
really?
Kmart, so, and they're the ice cubes that I put in mine.
Oh yeah, I got
They
this one. Yeah, I love these ones.
Yeah.
Oh, you're the fucking best gem ever. Thank you so much.
Oh, far out.
Alright,
think
Brussels
it was-
sprout.
My first car was a Subaru Outback. How funny is that?
Oh, that's so good. Oh, mine was a Honda Integra.
Honda Integra, boy, that's cool.
Oh yeah, I got in trouble for doing handbrake using the local shopping centre car park.
Fun.
Yeah, hell yeah.
And then after that, I was like, nah, I need a rear-wheel drive car. And then I ended up with a RA64 Select boy. That,
yeah.
that was like my first proper drift car. Getting into it.
Hell yeah. That was perfect.
Had some fun.
Hell yeah. See you guys down here.
Thank you.
No, you should have been in the background like.
I was.
Where's your cup holder?
Ah.